Every scar on my body, every scar in my soul wasn't the end of my story. It was the beginning of my stewardship. What felt like setbacks were setups for authority, anointing, and assignment. See, this is how we turn pain into powerful stewardship. Your scars aren't signs of weakness, they're signs that you have survived. And with survival comes stewardship, responsibility, authority, and power. Here's how I became a steward of my scars. I stopped hiding my story and I started using it to teach. I began mentoring others through pain I once ran from. I created programs from what once crushed me. I took stewardship of my healing, then helped others to do the same. I no longer saw myself as a victim. I saw myself as a vessel. Every scar became a strategy. Every wound became a wealth well. See, in Genesis 50 and 20, it says, "You intended to harm me, but God intended it for good." And he intended it to accomplish what is now being done, and that's saving many lives. Here's some lessons from the trauma-informed girl. See, the trauma-informed girl used to hide her pain in plain sight, smiling on the outside and broken on the inside. But then God whispered, "What hurt you most, I will use the most." Now my scars are sermons. My past is purpose, and my history became someone else's healing. Don't you dare waste your pain. It's packed with power. Our spiritual reflection for today comes from 2 Corinthians 1 and 4. God comforts us in our troubles so that we can comfort those in any trouble with the comfort we ourselves receive from God. Now that's stewardship. You are not recovering for you. You are recovering for someone else's breakthrough. Our call to action for today, I want you to write this down. What scars have I been ashamed of that God is now calling me to steward? How can I turn my testimony into a tool? If you're ready to steward your story and transform your pain into a platform, start inside the trauma-informed leadership pathways or join the stewardship and storytelling mentorship in the Educational Vault, Inc. of Legacy. I want to leave you with this word of encouragement today. Understand you're not damaged, you're designed. Ooh, let that resonate. What you've been through didn't disqualify you, it prepared you. Now, in our closing affirmation, I want you to say this aloud and repeat it, write it, put it on sticky notes so that you can see it and it can resonate with you. My scars are not shame, they are signs. Every setback was a setup for stewardship. God used what broke me to build me. Now I manage miracles. Remember, we are recovering one breath at a time. Give yourself grace and stay fearless. Bye for now.